Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darin and this is Darin's Corner. Today is actually a very short video because it's a very straightforward video. I'm just going to be showing you how I juice my fruits. So I'm going to be juicing watermelon and I'm going to be juicing carrots. So this is kind of straightforward, no fuse kind of video. But before we go into today's main video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also on the bell sign so you get notified. Let's head into the video. So you know when you buy watermelon and sometimes you stay in the house before you cut it up and it gets soft, the best thing for you to do is just to juice it and extract the juice from the watermelon, because sometimes it's not really palatable when you cut it and eat it straight like that. So that is exactly what I've done for this watermelon. I'm just juicing it and it's so easy and very refreshing when you juice that way. So usually I prefer to juice my watermelon without adding any other fruit, because watermelon has a lot of water content, so you don't really need, and it's also very sweet, so you don't really need to add additional fruits to add some flavor to it. I really prefer it plain like that. So this is just straightforward. Cut up your watermelon, put it into your juicer. I'm using the Almatin Beach juicer. I'm going to try and put a link below in the description below, so feel free to check that out. So that's it, guys. My watermelon is ready and I'm just gonna pour it out. I've actually allowed it to chill for a while and I'm just gonna pour it into my cup. So another thing I love to juice is carrots, and sometimes sometimes you find it so difficult to chew carrots, but carrots are actually so nice and they're good for your vision. And so to help my kids in taking some of their getting that right vitamins and everything in, I kind of juice the carrots. For your carrots you may add some other things to eat, because sometimes when you choose carrots it's so sweet, especially if you are using carrots from this part of the world. It's kind of very sweet. So yeah, you could add some other fruits to kind of dilute the sweetness a little bit and add some flavor, but this is just plain carrots. Sometimes I add apples to it to give it a different type of flavor. And that's it. It's so easy, just juice it and that's it. So for the carrot chaff, I usually use it to make my carrot cake. I don't dispose the chaff, I use that chaff to make carrot cake. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's the other normal recipe video, but I just thought to share. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up or like this video. Thank you and bon appetit.